again?
The whole bag.
Really?
Wow.
How long do I have video for?
10 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he usually did a lot of stuff.
Ready?
Are you gonna say something?
Yeah. Well.
I'm already recording.
Oh, cool. Well, this is how Tim Ellis does things.
Oh my god.
And just to
These are other people.
add a few other things.
A whole pot of paintballs.
A whole pot of paintballs and this shit, which is extremely hot.
Yeah, for some reason it's like
cheers.
really flammable.
Holy crap.
Toss some cardboard. What else are we gonna burn?
Should we put your maple chips in
I'm telling you,
No,
let's
I
just
need
hack
to.
up the table and throw it in there.
I'll look for more.
the party plate?
Let's throw the propane tank in there.
Let's throw like the Land Before Time in there.
We didn't even use those.
Well, we're using them to the fire. I mean, the good use.
Are you done with your pop?
Oh.
Yes.
This
We were
no,
literally throwing everything in there.
I think we should have put.
Throw the Malibu in there.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's very good.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
A paper plate.
Bug
Paper plate?
spray.
Bug
Paper
spray.
plate. Make napalm. Hot. Hot like fire.
And if you can't tell, this shit is burning red.
Let's throw Kelvin into the fire. See what color it'll be like yellow.
I have created fire. Team Endless, yo.
Team Endless, yo for life.
For life.
You want me to say the N-word?
Naggers.
Nigga.
We got that on tape.
She's so red.
Want some?
Wow.
Wow. I'm officially turned off.
Oh. That hurt my feelings in its own way.
Just toss that in there.
Like the whole thing.
I'm not too sure if the glass will explode or not.
Oh.
If the what will?
The glass will explode.
I'll use it tomorrow when all the bugs are. Whew.
Oh, it's dying down.
Oh.
Actually, no, it's not.
Oh my god. Work, little Asian man. Work.
I don't do things fast. You cannot tell me to do this.
I can tell you to do whatever I want.
Oh no.
Faster.
I thought I'd make you purple.
Faster. No talking. Faster.
Uh-oh.
Oh man.
I'm running out of...
It's like the fire is outside of the fire pit. So bright.
paintball.
It's like a circle of lights.
Hey there. Hey there, buddy.
Chicken McNugget.
Can I get some chicken McKnickers? Chicken Mc what? Chicken McKnickers.